The objective today is find missing angles in triangles using the sum of interior angles in triangles theorem. We know that a triangle is a three-sided figure. It also has three interior angles, as we can see in the following picture. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. And there's a theorem that says that the sum of the three angles is always equals to 180, no matter what type of triangle you have. The sum of the interior angles is always 180. So let's try to find the missing angle. Here we have an example. We have angle A here, so we need to find that missing angle. We have this angle here that is 118 degrees, and we have this angle that is 30 degrees. As we can see, this is an obtuse triangle. The sum of the interior angles in any triangle is always 180. So I can write the following equation. I can say that angle A plus 118 plus 30 equals 180. So look, I have an equation and I can solve for A. I can solve for the missing variable. If you want to practice solving equations, I also have a video here. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to check it out, if you want to practice how to solve for variables in equations. So I am going to solve for A. I can simplify this side of the equation. I can add 118 plus 30, so I'm going to do my addition here. So this is going to be 8, 4, and 1. So now I have A plus 148 equals 180. If I want to solve for A, I need to use inverse operations to get rid of that 140. So I will subtract 140 to this side. But to make it balance, don't forget to do the same thing in the other side. So in this side of the equation, I have A left. And in the other side, I need to do the subtraction. So 0 minus 8, I can't do that, so I need to borrow. So this becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So angle A equals 32. I found the missing angle. If you want to do a quick check, add the three angles and your addition must be 180. That's the way to check if you did the correct procedure. What about this one? Find the missing angle. We can see that we have a right triangle. This little square means 90-degree angle. So this triangle is a right triangle. So I'm going to use the same theorem. I want to solve for angle D. That's the missing angle. So D plus 90 plus 58 must be equal to 180. So again, solving this equation, I can simplify this side of the equation. I can add those two numbers, 90 plus 58. I can do the addition here by the side. 9 plus 5 is 148. So I have D plus 148 equals 180. I need to solve for D. Isolate the variable D. So I am going to use inverse operations. So I need to subtract 148, but to balance my equation, I do the same thing in the other side. So I have left D equals, and I do the subtraction. So again, I need to borrow 10 minus 8, that's 2. 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is 0, so 32. what about this triangle? I have angle CD plus 4, angle 116, and this one in the corner is 30. I need to find variable D and the measure of the missing angle. That is going to be this angle. So, I know that the sum of these three angles must be equal to 180. So, let's write our equation. I know that CD plus 4, that is this first angle, plus the second angle, that is 116, plus the third angle, that is 30, equals 180. I know this because of that theorem. Now, I have variable D and I can solve in this equation. First, I can simplify this side, so I am going to add 116 plus 30 plus 4. So 6 plus 0 plus 4 is 10. 3, 4, 5. 150. So this is 150. Now I need to get rid of 150 using inverse operations. Whatever I do to this side, don't forget to do it to the other side too. So I have 6D in this side, and then I do the subtraction, 180 minus 150. You know you can borrow. Oh, no, here you don't need to borrow, sorry. I just do the subtraction, 0, 3, 30. Now I need to get rid of that 6, that is multiplying my D, my variable, so inverse operation will be division. This will become 1D, but I need to do the same thing here. I'm going to continue here. So my answer is 30 divided by 6 is 5. So this will be D, but, so I already found D, but I need to find the missing angle. The missing angle is 6D plus 4, that's the missing angle, and I already have D, so I am going to substitute that 5 in this variable D to find the missing angle. So 6 times 5 plus 4, order of operations, I multiply first. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4, 34. So this angle is 34 degrees. A quick way to check, add these three angles and remember that you must get 180. Okay, so now is your turn. Trying to find the missing angles, write your equations and solve for x. I am going to give you the solution at the end of this video, so pause now, open your notebook, try these three examples, and then click play and go and check. Good luck! Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter @NumeritasTV. Thank you.